Good morning. Guess who just got her stitches removed? Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a few days of my life. Just got ready, threw on some makeup to go over to the podcast studio to record an episode. So come on with me. This morning, I got my ear, you saw that, stitched up. If you didn't know, I got a little earlobe surgery. So they took the stitches out today. When the band-aid falls off, I'm good. And I just wait, they said 6 weeks or so to get it re-pierced. I'm excited. Honestly, that was so worth it. Really easy. Just had to wear a band-aid, I guess, for like 2 weeks, but it blended in. It didn't matter. And then I took a walk through Central Park, had a nice leisurely morning, came back, got some work done, and now we're gonna go record. So let's go do that. All right, guys, we're here.
Hi, guys.
Danielle's funky, fun outfit.
I literally texted Brooke, I was like, you're gonna giggle at my outfit. It's like Dunkin' Donuts vibes. I love it.
I really like the pants.
They're literally so comfortable. These are the same ones I have in green from Urban. They're just like the perfect amount of like baggy.
Actually, when I was at the airport, I noticed a lot of people wearing cargo pants. I think that they're really in right now.
That could be a way I could like channel my inner Adina and dress up.
Yes.
But like be comfy. I know she wouldn't probably wear these, but like my
she might.
style.
She might in green. Yeah.
She might in green. Hey, Adina, what's up, girl?
Adina loves camo, actually.
Oh yes, I did know that.
Fun fact. I'm just wearing an Aritzia shirt. It's a little cropped, but I don't think you'll be able to see it because usually the video like cuts us off like right here. We're about to talk about friendship in business. It's one of our most requested topics. Friendship, handshake business. It's one of our most requested topics because I feel like a lot of like best friends traditionally don't like start businesses together, or like, you know what I mean? It would be like, oh, like I met this person in business school, or like I know this person from like, you know, but we were like actually
went to Wharton together.
It was a school project turned into real business. Yeah. School project business. Anyways. Oh, do you want to go do that now?
Sure, yeah.
You're
Bye guys,
excused.
I'll see you later. You can still talk.
So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the cameras and stuff. We have the routine like down pat now, which is really nice. We're actually recording this on Tuesday and the episode goes up Wednesday. We're a little like close, like a little backed up. I'm actually kind of backed up on my videos too. So I need to like get ahead again because it just makes my life a little bit easier, a little bit more of a breathing room situation. So I'm gonna get better about that. I like the vlogs to be like super current too, but like when it's like literally like the day after, I'm like, I feel like I'm like beating against the clock to like get the videos up. So that's my goal of the week. This calendar is still on March and it is most definitely May. All right, we finished the recording. We talked nothing about business and friendship because
oh my God.
we just did that whole thing. That'll be like next week's episode. We just caught up for way too long and it happens that way.
And then we like talked about a couple different topics and we were like, this needs a whole different episode.
It just would have been too much.
Really happy with how the episode turned out.
Very great, very fun. We talked about everything, so
it was really nice.
It's probably already up. Actually, it's definitely up, so go check it out. Good morning. Just got some groceries delivered. Thought I'd run through them quickly. There's some construction going on in my building right now. I don't know what is happening, so ignore that sound. Iced coffee combo. I got a few little ingredients to make like a different variation of the chickpea salad I made in one of my last vlogs because I kind of want to have that for lunch. On some bread, so I got some bread. I got some pickles and avocado to do avocado toast later in the week. And I really have always wanted to try kimchi. I've never tried it, so I picked up some of that. I look so tired. I don't really know why, but I wanted to say that I finished The Hunting Wives last night. Loved it. Good thriller. Not really so much romance. It's more of like a thriller, I would say. Not even so much psychological, more just like, you know, takes twists and turns and at the end you figure out like who did it, you know? It makes me like, now that I know the ending, it makes me want to like go back and reread and figure out more because I was not expecting that ending. Anyways, The Hunting Wives by May Cobb. And then next I'm going to read My Lovely Wife by Samantha Downing. And if you guys have any other book recommendations in this genre, romance, thriller, psychological thriller, please let me know because after this one, I need to pick up some more. So anyways, I'm gonna start this later today probably. This morning I've just been picking things up around the apartment. I just took a picture. I just got sent so many bottles of summer water. Rosé all day, truly. They sent me like 7 bottles. I'm stocked up. I'm gonna get some more computer work done. Also just talked to my mom on the phone. I feel like there's a lot of sounds going on right now. We have my washing machine, the sirens, the construction, so I'm gonna take a break. I'm going to make a little chickpea salad now. I'm gonna alter the recipe a little bit from the first time that I made it in a few vlogs ago. A lot of you guys said you enjoyed the cooking content, so I'll just put in some clips of me making it. Also wearing this really comfy sweatshirt. It's from this brand, Therese. I really like it. It's like the perfect sweatshirt. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's just really, it's doing it for me. I still need to shower and everything. I'm just having like one of those days where I'm like I'm getting everything on my to-do list done, but I'm like doing it in a very strange order. It's okay though. We're still getting things done, which feels good. Just did a TikTok and a reel of my drinking day at Disney if you guys wanted to check that out. Guys, it looks so stunning. This bowl is from the Citizenry and I love it. It's like a big serving bowl, but it was actually really good for mixing. And I'm just toasting a piece of bread and I'm gonna have like a little open face sandwich. I've also just been eating with a fork because again. So I just added like appropriate amounts of like what I feel like. I mean, that's the joy of cooking for one, right? You don't really have to follow a recipe. You can be like, okay, like I'll do a little more mayo or a little less, whatever. So good. And I think I added more celery than I should have, but I actually really like celery. It gives a really nice crunch. Just showered, obviously didn't wash my hair though. About to self-tan. I'm not gonna do it on camera because I'm naked and I'm gonna do it naked. The Tan Luxe Hydro Mousse, this is what I've been using all over my body and I just use a mitt. You know, if it gets a little streaky, I just touch it up. And then for my face, I don't need it right now because I just did it, but I mix Tan Luxe drops. I use the light medium kind. And I've been mixing them in with the watermelon dew drops because I use these underneath my makeup, or I'll just use it in like a moisturizer or something. But I'm gonna self-tan now. This look is giving fall for sure, but I'm struggling with the transition of seasons outfits actually. I don't really like the blazer with it. I'm going to a happy hour, so just drinks with my agent Pranav and Danielle. He's in town from LA, so sorry, my watch is like on a weird screen. I don't know if I love the blazer. I'm trying to decide what to wear because I love these leather pants from, where are they from? Revised Denim, and then Steve Madden booties that I love. And then I like this little sweater vest guy too, but I don't know if I like the blazer with it. Might pick out a different jacket. Let's see what we've got. And I quickly did my makeup like really quick. It was one of those days where I just like was procrastinating getting ready, like just wasn't in the mood. You know, it happens. Next day, I know, I'll show you guys my face in a second. I just showered. I just got these Royo bread bagels and like bread sent to me, and I'm gonna put some of the chickpea salad on here and have that for lunch. Sounds like a good lunch to me. Let's see. They're like low carb bagels, but they taste really just like bagels. I apologize for not really filming that much today, but honestly just wasn't really in the mood. I kind of like have been in like a little bit of a weird mood today. And it was just one of those days where I was like, I don't really feel like vlogging. It definitely got turned around though after I went to breakfast with Callie and Viv. Viv is from Coffee Bay. Callie does TikTok. Sweetest girls. And I hope I get to hang out with them more in the future. I'm not wearing a bra, which I definitely should be. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put on shapewear and a bra and everything. I'll be all snatched up soon. This dress is from Matilda Jerf's line. I'm also like, I'm gonna be fully dressed up in a little bit. I'm going to Claudia's comedy show with a bunch of my friends tonight. It's also Cinco de Mayo, so I think we're gonna go maybe get some margaritas or something before. Not entirely sure on that. TBD. We're trying to make the plans for before, I think, like right now. It's 4:30. Also just kind of like doing other things at home today. I got some computer work done. Tomorrow, I know I'm hosting like a pretty big pregame, so I want to make sure that I have time tomorrow to be able to like run around and go to the store and like really get everything, because I want to do a video on like prepping for a pregame, because that's really fun. I like hosting. I kind of did my makeup. It's not all the way done. I really want to like touch it up, but something fun that I did on my makeup today is I used a purple eyeliner. You can't even tell. It's like really, really minimal. You can kind of tell on this eye. And I feel like it makes my eyes pop a little bit. I just wanted to do something that was out of the ordinary, even though it's not much, but I really like this black dress. It's extremely comfortable. Need to figure out my shoes. It's like 70 degrees today, so it's like one of those days where we're starting to get into the warmer weather. Good stuff. This is what I'm wearing. This is from, like I said, Jerf Ave. She kills it. I'm a recent like follower of hers, and I just love the content. It's really, really good. So I ordered the sleeves in a large and the dress in a large. Dress fits like a glove, chef's kiss. Probably should have gotten these sleeves in a medium because they keep falling down, even though they have like that sticky material or whatever you want to call it, but I'll just keep pulling them up. It's all goody. So it kind of looks like it's like an off-the-shoulder dress when my arms are down, but then you can tell that it's sleeves. I'm wearing these black heels with some like gold chains. Really not a lot of jewelry because I still am recovering from the ear surgery and I don't want to wear one earring. And then I'm gonna bring my black Chanel. It's interesting because right now we're about to go to dinner, then to the comedy show, then to a party afterwards. So it's 5 p.m. and I'm dressed for like, you know, 11 p.m. So I figured I would go for like more of the night vibe, because by the time we go to the show, it will be nighttime. I don't know. I'd rather be overdressed than underdressed. I've learned, especially recently. I always roll up to things and I'm like missing the vibe of the group, and I'm like, I am sick of it. So I'd rather just be overdressed. That's what I've learned. That's a very Adina Michio thing. Adina's daughter. I'm gonna vlog the rest of the clips on my phone. Also just went ahead and like curled my hair and stuff. So yeah.